Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a Docker Compose stack to another machine step by step clearly. To transfer a Docker Compose stack to another machine, start by ensuring you have Docker and Docker Compose installed on both the source and target machines. First, navigate to the directory where your Docker Compose file is located. Use the command docker compose config.yml to export the current configuration into a YAML file. This command consolidates all service definitions and any overrides into a single YAML file. Next, create a directory on your target machine to store the transferred files. Copy the config.yml file from the source machine to the target machine using a method of your choice, such as SCP or a USB drive. Once the file is in place, navigate to the directory containing config.yml on the target machine. Run docker compose fconfig.yml upd to start the services defined in the configuration file in detached mode. If your stack uses any volumes or networks, you need to transfer those as well. To do this, list the volumes on the source machine with docker volume. Identify the volumes you need and back them up using the command docker run rmv volume_name/. Transfer the backup files to the target machine using your method of choice. On the target machine, set up the volumes with the command docker volume create volume_name. Extract the backup files into the new volumes using docker run rmv volume_name/volume_v/path/to/volume. Next, ensure to configure any environment variables or secrets required for your services. Now, check the status of your services with Docker Compose PS to confirm everything is running smoothly. If there are any issues, review the logs using Docker Compose logs to troubleshoot. Once everything is up and running, your Docker Compose stack has been successfully transferred to another machine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.